So HomeSmart has a proprietary agent software system called RealSmart Agent. Mm-hmm. It's an agent portal where agents go in there and they upload their transactions, they pull down marketing materials, they control their websites, et cetera. So we've also become 100% completely paperless. So agents can literally operate from anywhere in the world. They can be in the Bahamas uploading documents, printing out flyers, doing internet marketing and social media marketing. So they don't have to be in the offices. Even though we have 6 full service offices, agents can really operate anywhere they want. So they have the best of both worlds.
Well, some agents would like to come to the office. They would like to have the admin. They want that support that is offered to them by the administrative assistant or secretary. How do you handle that part?
So if you look at it, who is really the administrative person in an office? Is it somebody with real estate experience? Is it just a secretary? Is it a college boy or girl or a high school boy or girl, right? So the way I look at it is when it comes to managers and admins, I think agents, especially today, it's not like 30 years ago, agents are much more self-sufficient. They do their own things. They upload their own MLS stuff. They do their own internet marketing. They do their own marketing. So, the real estate industry's changed. There's really not a necessity for managers and admins as far as I'm concerned. And I'm a big example of it. I'm the only employee at HomeSmart. I make myself available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to each of the agents. And I think that's something that they appreciate. Agents that come over from the traditional brokerages, we got to have them kind of relearn that this is their business. It's their brand. They're going to need to operate it like it's their own business. So it definitely works. It's a proven model. Mm-hmm. And our agents appreciate it. They run their business any which way they want, as long as it stays within the legal scope. And they're happy with it. They love it.